Oh, Jenny, did you see the water? There's a water. Yeah. So this area, this part of the cave, they call it Dream Lake. Wow. Look at the reflection from the water. Wow, that's a beautiful reflection. This one looks like a waterfalls million years ago. It's so pretty. Oh wow, look at down there too. Yeah, it's so deep there, still deep. Gosh, it's so beautiful. This is my second time and still I'm still amused how pretty in here, you know. Oh wow. Wow. Kian, come here, Kian.
Not yet.
Wow, isn't it so pretty? Oh my goodness.
This part of it is if you see now Little Mermaid, like those
I know. Like their castles now.
Like the little tiny rooms and theaters.
Yeah. It's so pretty. My goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Hi guys, we're at Luray Cavern. Kian, come here, Kian. It's so pretty. Hi, Jenny. So guys, you come here in Luray Cavern, the entrance fee is $34 for adults and $17 for kids.
Above 7.
Yeah, 6 to 7. Oh, 6 to 12 years old. Yeah, so that's part of the color. It's so beautiful, guys. It's so worth it.